How is India using sugarcane to save fuel? Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 5 June, World Environment Day, announced that India had achieved the target of blending 10% ethanol in petrol 5 months ahead of schedule, resulting in less carbon emissions. Ethanol. Ethanol is a biofuel which is produced from biomass such as sugarcane, corn etc., since these have high starch content. In India, ethanol is mainly produced from sugarcane through fermentation. Yeast is used to make ethanol and sugar is mixed in an oxygen-less environment. Without oxygen, yeast by using anaerobic respiration and converts sugar into energy and ethanol instead of sugar into energy and carbon dioxide. On an average in India, carbon emission is just half a ton per year per person, whereas the global average for the same is around 4 ton per person. Ethanol blending in India has resulted in reduction of 27 lakh tons of carbon emissions. India has managed to save 41,000 crore in foreign exchange spending on fuel import. Farmers' income has received a boost by 40,000 crore, increasing investment opportunities. Petrol presently in India is L0, which signified 5 to 10% ethanol, and all vehicles manufactured after 2008 have no issue with it. However, to achieve target above that, flex fuel engine vehicles will have to be rolled out in India. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.